connects us, it moves us, it inspires us to see the world in new ways. At Rhodes, the arts are thriving, and we invite you to be part of the story. This year, we're launching our very first Arts Day of Giving, a day dedicated to celebrating and supporting our incredible visual arts, music, dance, and theater programs. Your gift empowers our students to dream big, create boldly, and share their talents with the world. Every donation, no matter the size, makes a difference. Together, we can ensure that the creative spirit will continue to flourish at Rhodes. Create, celebrate, support. Join us for Arts Day of Giving. Let's make an impact together.